Wow, it's really eerie. The second my first ComfyUI video rendered, I got a pop-up notification that I was invited to the ComfyUI Desktop Beta finally. It's just eerie that it pops up at the exact second that my first related video rendered. And then I uploaded the second video just now, and as I pressed uh, submit onto the YouTube page for it, it popped up with a second email saying the same thing, but for a different email address. Anyways, let's see what happens trying to install this. We're going to run the exe, or actually, no, we're not. We're going to check if we can unblock it. Sometimes we need to unblock it. Okay, it appears to be signed or whatever, so we don't need to unblock it. It should just run. I think this is it running right now. Get started. Choose installation location. We'll do the default. Seems like it's using Electron technology, which is surprising because they need to integrate the Python component into Electron, which normally doesn't have Python. It's just more of a JavaScript, HTML, CSS type framework, allowing you to run desktop applications locally built with more familiar technologies like those for most people. Existing ComfyUI UI installation. Okay, so maybe it'll update the models directory to the optional alternate directory, and you can have both. Maybe we'll see. DAI. This should work. Settings, models, no copy. Yes, okay, this sounds good. Good job, Comfy team, comfy.org team. Okay, automatic updates. Sure, crash reports. We'll help them out and allow crash reports. I normally don't, but we'll do it for Comfy. Setting up Python environment. Using CPython version 3.12.4. That's good. Modern version of Python. It's installing the dependencies. For ComfyUI Manager right now, so that might be integrated. That's a good benefit that you don't have to separately go and install ComfyUI Manager, which is a separate issue. If you're installing it manually, you have to manually install the manager before you can use the manager to install custom nodes. So you have to know Python and install the requirements.txt uh, with pip, and you need to know conda virtual environments ideally, and there's just a whole slew of issues that are solved with this new desktop software. The desktop software will be great for broadening the audience of Stable Diffusion and Comfy, make things a lot easier. Let's hope this works. Unable to start ComfyUI. Uh-oh. Reinstall. Oh no. path already contains ComfyUI. Okay. Let's go to we're going to make a new directory for it so that it doesn't conflict, hopefully. I had a different compy in that folder, apparently. Let's try this and see if it works. Maybe you'll have the same problem and this will be a solution for you as well. I'm going to call it ComfyUI Desktop. Reselect this. Find your old Comfy. Select it so that you can import everything, and it will link to your models folder, hopefully without copying it. So there's no copy. Okay, let's hope this works this time. Creating a virtual environment for us with VNV. Sorry, you have to wait with me a minute while it reinstalls, and hopefully it'll work so we can see what happens with it. It's impressive work on their end, all the logistics, like I was saying, to get the Electron technology to work. It's like I wanted to do that for stupid little side projects, but the Python component wasn't already part of Electron, so you have to engineer in that entire system to have Python integrated with Electron. As far as I understand, that was the roadblock I hit with using Electron for this myself, just for side projects for fun myself, not even public huge projects like all my idols here releasing. But one day, right? Just keep working at it, and we'll all get there one day. It's not working. Open logs. Darn, no module named Torch. Maybe I need to go manually activate the VNV and install a requirements.txt here and there. We'll have to get back to you and see what is going on with the beta version. We're having an error. This is the beta version. It might not be my fault if it's the beta version. This might just need more development. I'm also making a fresh Windows install soon, that at least a new user, so we might see if that helps, having a more fresh install. Let's see. Yeah, all I can think is to go and try to manually activate the VNV with command line and see if I can install things better like that, and then go back and run the program again on the front end. Okay, let's see.